Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your news hunter, Salik, and from the spoils of today's hunt, I present you two character art sets by Ringo Maru 10, a green-haired male and a red-eyed male, another art of this cool female by Gatago Focus, a music pack of despair by Mika Fisher, and I have to say, this pack has some sick tunes. A sprite set of Japanese yokai by Supekuramu Goken, a ton of balloon emotes by Admirin. It even has some emotes with glasses. That's just too beautiful. Next in today's spoils, I bring you two packs of towel sets. First is this RPG Harbor by Sazadi Art. Second, a princess-themed edits of MZ's RTP by Raris. Since RPG Maker games have this thing where they put little kids in horrific situations, especially little girls, this tile set, I'm sure, will find its home in a lot of games. And on that note, we're out of spoils for today. But hey, there's a tomorrow. There's always a tomorrow. As we value the spoils we got today, tomorrow the creators will provide us with even more.